Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing how we can import data from text file to Excel file. For example, I am having a text file which contains Indian state name and their capital. Now I want to import this data in Excel. The code for that I have written. First, I will insert command button from ActiveX control. So insert command button. Now when I press this command button, then it will execute the code that is there inside its subroutine. I will copy the code that I have written for importing the data inside this command button one subroutine. So I will just copy this code and paste it inside command button one click subroutine. Now I will explain you this code by executing it line by line. First, I am defining the variables myFile text and text line has string, ij entry has integer. I and j I am initializing as 1, and for the active sheet I am clearing all the cells, making the interior color to 0 so no color, and making the line style as Excel none. Now I am getting the text file from the user. So let me select the text file, and now I am making the screen updating false. Now I am opening the text file as #1. Now this do while loop keep on going till the end of file. Now I am reading the text file line by line and storing the value in column 1. So it is storing the value in column 1. Let me put a breakpoint at close #1 and let me press F5. So it has imported all the data from the text file to Excel file. Now I will do the conditioning of this data. I will remove the empty cells in this data and will make it in the proper format. So for that I am removing all the empty cells that are there and pasting it to column 2. So it is removing all the empty cells in column 1 and pasting the data in column 2. Let me press F5. Now I am clearing all the data in column 1 and now pasting the data of column 2 to column 1. And now I am clearing column 2. Now in this code I am getting all the states name in column 3. So all the states name I am getting in column 3. Let me press F5, and now I am getting all the capital names in column 4. Let me press F5. So I have got the state name and the capital name. Now I am clearing column 1 and pasting the data of column 3 to column 1 and pasting the data of column 4 to column 2, and now clearing the data in column 3 and column 4. Now I am making the title state and capital as bold and making the interior color as yellow. Now in this code I am giving the border line to the entire range. So I am giving the border line, and now I am giving the weight as Excel theme. So it should be a theme border line, and I am making the column A and B as autofit and screen updating true, and the sub is complete. So we have successfully imported data from the text file and we have made it in the proper format. Thank you.